with business. Hi, Nona.
Hello.
The government's books open,
That's
and
right.
what do they say? What do they show?
Well, they actually show that the government books are in better condition than they thought. In fact, they were expecting a deficit of 1.7 billion for November, and the deficit was just 768 million, which is better by half, better than half. So, what was that? That was because of a strong tax take and lower expenses. And we also did find out that the damage from the damage to the government's accounts from the Kaikoura earthquake was just under $700 million so far, and of course they had set aside $1 billion in December. So looks like things are pretty good.
Okay. What else happened today?
Well, we have, of course, you heard earlier, of course, the inflation data. The New Zealand dollar has been holding steady, which is pretty good considering all of the movements around the world. The US dollar is...
Yeah, there has been, there's been volatility in Asia. The Australian's been having a bit of a tough time, but New Zealand has...
It's just steady as she goes. And so a little bit better today than yesterday at this time. So 72.8 US cents. That's, again, up against the Australian 96.2 US cents. And because someone asked me, I'm sticking back the British pence in there. 57.5 British pence as well. Our New Zealand Top 50 Index rose 0.3% today, and that's in line with what we're seeing through Asia. Things are a little bit better. That's 22 points to 7,113.
Interesting to see the Dow at those record levels, or whatever it's called now, the American market.
Well, that's right. Sorry, I should also mention, we had that earlier today, that the Dow closed above that 20,000 point mark, which is, exceptional. But it's because, a lot of investors are expecting Donald Trump to spend big, but that there's still a lot of uncertainty because of that protectionism. We're going to see Theresa May, the Prime Minister of Britain, arrive there soon.
Yeah, that's going to be a fascinating little visit.
Lots of excitement ahead.
Lots of excitement in America, not much in Mexico, and we'll talk about that later in the program. Thanks, Nona. We really appreciate it. Nona Peltier, our business reporter, who joins us every evening in the studio at that time.